Hello and welcome. You're tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of October, Part 1. October 8, Special Handloom Expo. The NSS units of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, in collaboration with Khadi Handloom Avarampalayam, organized a special handloom expo. The event aimed to promote the use of traditional handloom products and to raise awareness about the need to support local artisans and sustainable textile industries. The exhibition displayed a variety of beautifully hand-woven fabrics and garments that reflected India's rich cultural and artistic legacy. Students and faculty members visited the stalls with great enthusiasm, appreciating the intricate craftsmanship of the weavers. The event helped the participants understand how the handloom sector contributes to rural employment and sustainable development. October 9, Inter-School Competitions. The Department of Physics, Holy Cross College, in collaboration with IREL Manawalakuruchi, organized a series of inter-school competitions under the theme Rare Earths and Geoscience of India. The event was inaugurated by Mr. Sivaraj, Deputy General Manager of IREL, who spoke on the significance of mineral resources and the scientific processes involved in mineral sand separation. The keynote address was delivered by Mr. Aruljaral Prakash, former director of the Kerala State Science and Technology Museum, who emphasized the need to conserve mineral resources for future generations. A total of 216 students from 16 schools participated in events such as essay writing, poster making, quiz, and crossword puzzle. The competitions encouraged scientific curiosity and environmental awareness among the students. Kamal High Secondary School Nagercoil secured the highest score and won the overall trophy. October 10, OIC Award for Voluntary Blood Donations. The Youth Red Cross unit of Holy Cross College was recognized by the District Collector of Kanyakumari District on October 10, 2025 for its exemplary contribution to voluntary blood donation. The OIC team had successfully organized a blood donation camp at the college, mobilizing numerous student volunteers to donate blood and raise awareness on the importance of such humanitarian acts. Matrika 2025. On the same day, the Department of Mathematics organized Matrika 2025, an inter-school competition that provided an excellent opportunity for students to enhance their mathematical skills and showcase their creativity. Students from classes 9 to 12 participated in 10 different competitions, including essay writing, art, oratorial contest, model presentation, and group dance. Around 400 students from various schools participated enthusiastically, displaying both intellectual and artistic talent. The valedictory session was graced by the presence of the former head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. Parvati, who delivered an insightful address on the importance of mathematics in everyday life. The Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Sister Francie, distributed prizes to the winners, while Dr. Parvati presented participation certificates. RMS International School won the overall championship trophy of Matrika 2025. October 13, 2025, Youth Leadership Summit. Ms. Jo Nithuna from the Department of Physics, Holy Cross College, proudly represented the Tirunelveli region at the grand finale of ICT Academy Youth Talk 2025, held during the ICT Academic Youth Leadership Summit 2025 at Codicea Hall, Coimbatore. Speaking on the topic Human 2.0, she delivered a thought-provoking speech exploring the rise of artificial intelligence, its advantages, limitations, and the unique qualities that distinguish humans from machines. Her inspiring message reminded the audience that human creativity, purpose, and compassion are qualities no technology can replace. Her performance earned appreciation from the organizers and the audience alike, bringing pride to Holy Cross College. October 14, 2025, Unlocking Global Careers, Academic Opportunities in Ireland. The Research Department of Commerce, in collaboration with the Deanery of International Affairs, conducted a special session titled Unlocking Global Careers, Academic Opportunities in Ireland. The session featured Ms. Sharon Jasaratnam, Quality Officer at ICB Business School, Dublin, who shared valuable insights on academic programs, scholarships, and post-study employment opportunities in Ireland. The event helped students gain a better understanding of the admission process and the international study options. Global Startup Summit 2025. The Holy Cross Innovation and Incubation Center achieved a remarkable milestone by receiving a scale-up incubator grant of 5 lakh rupees from Startup TN Government of Tamil Nadu. The grant was presented during the Global Startup Summit 2025 held at the Codicea Trade Fair Complex, Coimbatore. A 10-member team led by the principal, Reverend Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, represented the college and showcased innovative products at the summit. Their creative exhibits attracted the attention of investors, entrepreneurs, and industrial experts. The event offered valuable networking opportunities and celebrated the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship nurtured at Holy Cross College. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.